Make sure that did we miss anything, or any topic you want to talk about?
I think one way to understand us is often through comparing us to the competition.
Yes.
And we've had questions from people in the community, in our Telegram and Slack. How are you compared to Abrosos? How are you compared to Walton Chain? Anyone else that would be? Yeah, these are the main ones. I think the closer comparison would actually be Walton Chain. So they are building something somewhat similar. There are a few big differences. Our team is a lot more business oriented, whereas for them it's a lot more on the technology side, more like the professor university kind of background. And I think that brings certain difference in speed of the development. Second thing, in terms of the business focus, they are a lot more focused on the clothing, which it's a huge market. For us, we believe that food and beverages is not a small market as well. But on top of that, it's a lot more critical problem there. So that's really why we're starting with that. People often ask me, like, Alex, why didn't you put this onto shoes and bags? And say, well, if you buy a Gucci bag for $50, you know it's fake, right? So
that's true.
For me, no one cares. The company may be losing some revenues there, and it's bad. At the same time, if a person is hurt, health is hurt, it's a lot worse. So that's where we're really focusing. And in terms of the technologies, there's a bit of a difference. We're using existing infrastructure in terms of the labels and in terms of the chips, and they're developing their own. So for us, it's a lot easier to scale it later on because the consumers don't need a special reader. Whereas for them, I think, I don't know their plans exactly, right? I didn't research the project too much. For them, they will probably need to go a lot more on the B2B side. When it seems like they're developing a specialized reader, and then they will need to supply this reader to other companies so that the technology could be used within the supply chain. I guess this is the direction that they will need to move because of the technology choices that they've made.
Great. Thanks.
Okay.
I hope I see you in China.
Well, please come.
Thank you.
Thank you.